How I came about being a part of Buehler was kind of a funny story. I used to sell ladies' apparel, dresses and sportswear. I traveled Florida and Georgia and had a great time. Then all of a sudden I thought, well, gosh, I want to grow and I want to be a manager. And so I went with this other company, and the owner of the company started spending money crazy, worse than I do. Took the company to bankruptcy. So I was without a job, had 2 young children. I bought a gas station. That didn't work out. Because I don't even know how to use a screwdriver, much less a wrench. Sold that in less than a year, and I went from wearing Armani suits to wearing a clip-on tie, and that just wasn't me. My brother-in-law had a small moving company up here, and I came in and bought him out. And then at a poker game, we were all playing cards, and one of the guys said, "Hey, Buehler Mayflower's for sale. The old man just wants out. He doesn't really want anything." Well, it didn't quite work out that way. The company had been through some rough times, and a big part of their business was storage tech. Well, storage tech's gone out of business, and they were doing a lot of office moves. We continued with that, and we've continued with the Mayflower tradition. It's been quite a ride for the past 30 years. It's been nonstop and reinvesting back into the company and wondering many times if I was going to make it, because we were tight on cash, but somehow we've always pulled through. It's been a great learning experience, and I've learned a lot how to be a better leader, which is something I don't think you can ever stop learning about.